Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix the unsupported file type problem in WhatsApp step by step. Okay, let's start. See, this is the problem, unsupported file type. How to fix it? Okay, first open your Google Play Store app and now search here WhatsApp and click on the WhatsApp. Now check update your WhatsApp app. My WhatsApp app already updated. Okay, back. And second step, go to your phone setting and scroll down. Now click on the apps icon and now search here WhatsApp. Click on the WhatsApp and scroll down. Now click on the storage and clear check and clear data. Okay, back. And now click on the permission option and allow all permission. Call logs, camera, contacts, location, microphone, music and audio, nearby device, notification, phone, photos and videos, SMS. Allow all permission. Okay, back. And last steps. Now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. And I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.